Welcome. If you're looking to find out who's quoting your posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, the process has changed a bit, but it's still straightforward once you know where to look. Let's walk through the steps together so you can see all the quotes on your posts with just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and click on your profile icon to go directly to your profile page. This is where all your posts are listed. Scroll through your timeline to find the specific post you want to check for quotes. When you've found it, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top right corner of the post. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu with more options. From this menu, select View Post Engagements. This is the new spot where X now hides all the engagement details for your post, including likes, reposts, and most importantly, quotes. Once you click on View Post Engagements, you'll see a breakdown of all interactions. Look for the section labeled Quotes and click on it. Now, you'll be able to see every public quote of your post. Here, you can read what others have said while sharing your content, giving you a complete picture of how your post is being discussed and shared across the platform. This update means you no longer see quote counts or direct links under the post itself, but everything you need is just a couple of clicks away in the engagement menu. It's a simple adjustment, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel second nature. So, next time you're curious about who's quoting your posts or what's being said, just follow these steps. Stay engaged, keep the conversation going, and enjoy exploring the new way to track your quotes on X.